In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix backbone controller drift. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you simple instructions that you can follow to fix any issues attributed to controller drift on your backbone. This is going to work for any device where you are trying to use your backbone controller. So first, the only option that you have inside of the settings is to go into the backbone app, access the menu, settings, and then go over to the controller category, where you can find Calibrate Joysticks. As the name suggests, this is going to allow you to calibrate the joysticks. Sometimes, if the firmware is giving you trouble, or if you haven't calibrated this in a while, you will be able to set it up here and make sure that no drift is happening. If you notice that you try to do this multiple times, or that the joystick keeps moving even though you aren't pressing it in any direction, then usually the best course of action is to physically clean the controller. So try to get some alcohol and a Q-tip in there and clean around the joysticks. Make sure that you don't go deep if you are not comfortable doing this, as you could damage the joysticks. So do it very softly and just try to get any dust or debris off of the actual joystick contacts. Once it is done, see if it helps. If it doesn't help, then unfortunately there's not much else that you can do. Besides some extremely superficial cleaning, there isn't much in the way of fixing controller drift. The best course of action if it doesn't work is to go over to the Backbone website, choose the help option, and then talk to their customer support. Describe your issue and see if you are eligible to get a replacement for them. Like I said, this is going to be the best option that you have if a superficial clean didn't fix the issue for you, or if you are uncomfortable doing this. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix backbone controller drift. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.